Ladies and gentlemen, my video guide is about getting rid of Profitsurvey24.top pop-up alerts that keep attacking the majority of popular browsers today. The real mission of these pop-ups is not to make you richer, but rather to collect some of your personal details. For instance, the pop-up may ask some questions, and then at the end of this so-called survey, you would be told to provide some of your private details, for instance, your name, your surname, your email address, possibly your telephone number, and other data. We strongly urge you not to agree with such misleading proposals because your private information collected through such fake surveys may be granted to third parties absolutely illegally. So you may start getting a lot of ads that will be attacking your screen from time to time. So Profitsurvey24.top pop-ups may be the result of some adware type application to be enabled in your computer. First thing I would recommend you to do is to check your available Mac applications and get rid of any programs that could be suspicious if you don't remember installing them directly. Pay attention to some fake Adobe Flash players or some other software that you are not familiar with. Also, consider checking your available browser extensions and getting rid of those extensions that you don't remember installing personally. Finally, I would also recommend you to double check the safety of your system with a combo cleaner. You may go to the official page combocleaner.com, then download the software and start examining the system with the program to be persuaded that it is free of any other threats. So after the antivirus database is successfully updated, click on Start Combo Scan and begin the research of your computer. So this is the end of scanning by Combo Cleaner Antivirus, and at the end of scan you can see the full summary of all threads that were found on your Mac computer during the scan. You may go to the antivirus section and click on Review Results. This shows you the full number of threads, but when you click on Review Results you can see the names of these threads and their detection by the majority of security programs. And what's more important is that you may get the exact location of each specific thread. So you may go to this location of thread on your Mac computer and get rid of this thread one at a time, or you may consider upgrading to the premium version of Combo Cleaner in order to get your Mac fully protected against all further possible threats, adware, browser hijackers, and other sorts of malware from attacking your Mac computer.